Need to view your Tesco Bank debit card PIN? The Tesco Bank app offers a secure reveal feature. First, ensure you have the latest version of the app, v5.2.1 or later, and are using a device running Android 10 Plus or iOS 14 Plus. Open the app and navigate to the card management section. Select the card you need the PIN for. Choose the Reveal PIN option. The app will require multi-factor authentication. This could be biometric verification, fingerprint or facial recognition, or a one-time passcode sent via SMS or email. Once authenticated, your PIN will be displayed on the screen for 30 seconds only. Make sure you are in a private place to prevent anyone from seeing your PIN. After 30 seconds, the PIN will automatically be hidden again. Remember, this feature is for viewing your PIN, not changing it. This method uses AES 256 encryption, and your PIN is never stored on your device. Forgotten your Tesco Bank PIN? You can reset it directly within the app. Go to the Card Management section and select the card. Choose the Reset PIN option. You'll be guided through an identity verification process, which could include answering security questions or using a registered device. The app uses AI-driven risk assessment to detect suspicious activity, so be prepared to provide accurate information. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be prompted to create a new PIN. This new PIN will then be synced to your card via Tesco Bank's secure servers. This process is available for contactless cards and eliminates the need to visit a branch. After setting your new PIN, consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced security. If you experience any issues during the reset process, contact Tesco Bank customer support immediately.